My favorite thing about the Rubenstein School is that there are really no limits in what you can do in science.
When it feels like you're making a real impact, then all of a sudden it's not just a class project that you're doing.
Our students are so excited to be here, and every single one of them comes in saying, I want to change the world.
They are not going to sit back and wait for the world to change.
And I feel like our job is to give them the tools to go out and be environmental leaders.
It's like no other place on campus.
It's really interesting to think back on 50 years.
The first Earth Day was 1970, and that's when we started to say, oh my God, somebody's got to do something. How could we work together to make sure the fish and the birds and the trees and the communities might be a little better off because of our work? The original name of the school was the School of Natural Resources.
It really was formed from the former forestry program at UVM, and then it sort of evolved into this larger school that included water resources and environmental science and studies. Dr. Hugo John was the inaugural director, then dean, and he established the vision for the school 50 years ago in 1973.
We had engineers getting together with sociologists, getting together with biologists.
Even today, it's a bold vision that focuses on integrating across the natural resources and environmental professions and fields and across the biophysical and social sciences.
Vermont had some real early environmental leaders.
We were all drawn together as people around a compelling mission to change and improve the world.
We were all kind of learning, and there was energy, tons of energy.
The school was built around community. Students loved the faculty cared about the students.
It was cool. It was a cool time.
Part of our mission is to really think about how do we address these complex socio-ecological problems.
How can the Rubenstein School unleash empathy, passion, innovation, and creativity to heal and radically change human environment systems?
Really thinking about equity, about justice, about ecological integrity.
Having this desire to do more than just research and publish papers, but being able to know that the work you're doing has an impact and that it's going to be making a change.
A lot of traditional education is focused around reading things out of books.
I think something the school does really well is getting us out in the field.
You don't want to be in a classroom just stuck listening to someone talk.
Society has problems, universities have disciplines, and the two don't match up very well. So we flipped the learning model upside down by having an interdisciplinary core curriculum and then disciplinary learning built on top of that.
All of our students get out in the field with hands-on labs, small groups getting out to explore Vermont and the natural systems here.
I love going out and being able to see it up front. It's awesome.
The ability for students to see a whole suite of ecosystems is really unique here.
Those experiences, get out in the woods, get outside, practice doing the work that you might do in the future has been huge for me.
It's such a large, spanning, holistic experience going to this college that I feel very prepared to enter the workforce.
We have a community that's like a home.
It's really nice to be surrounded by people that share your same values about the environment and climate change.
It creates a much more tight-knit environment.
Professors here are amazing because they motivate you.
They really put a lot of faith into what the students are capable of.
These students are the ones who are going to change the world, and we just help them prepare and then sit and watch them do amazing things. It's what gives you hope.
I think the whole aspect of DEI, diversity, equity, and inclusion, Rubenstein's way ahead of the game.
It is just so inclusive and welcoming, and they're constantly working to improve on that.
It's just really great to have examples of people who I can identify with, who I know are out there doing really good work and who might have some of the same challenges.
It's only when you are surrounded by people who are different from you that you actually can see the true complexity that's out there.
One of the things that I've learned is that I could also do it. As women, we can do the science. There's no limits.
I think the Rubenstein School has a wonderful foundation.
The dedication of faculty, the amazing staff that we have here.
I'm just so pleased and so proud that this school bears the Rubenstein family name. Steve cared deeply about students and environmental learning. He really has left his mark by having this special school that's doing amazing work.
The Rubenstein School helps make the world a better place by fostering the future environmental leaders of the world.
These students are hungry for solutions, and they know this is where they can get it. Actually moving the needle on some of these issues.
I want to be that one person who maybe helps somebody and has this huge impact on them.
All of those together make me excited about the next 50 years of the Rubenstein School.